Welcome you guys, this is the Velvet Locks here in the bathroom again. Okay, thank you for joining me again in this morning video. Now today I am drinking in my teeny cup my CUMIN detox tea. Okay, so I'll be drinking that this morning. Alright, stay tuned for the recipe that's coming. Now my today's detox, my morning mask facial scrub is going to be from my tomato, okay? My tomato and baking soda mixture. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna use this, leave it on for a little bit as a facial mask. This has wonderful properties, you guys. So let's get started.
Tomatoes have lycopene, which is an antioxidant, which works as a sunscreen from within. These antioxidants make tomato an anti-aging product as it helps in fighting cellular damage and readiness of the skin. Now, tomatoes will shrink big pores, reduce and clear up acne. And if you have oily skin, tomato is your solution. Now, the baking soda contains antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that are able to kill the microbes that are causing razor bumps, acne, or pimples, and reduces the inflammation of the acne. Now, baking soda draws out the excess oil from your skin as it unclogs the skin's pores and maintains the optimum pH level for the skin, and this is going to prevent from any sudden breakouts, as it also gives you a healthy glow to your skin. Now, baking soda is also a great exfoliator because it has tiny granules that deep cleanse the hair follicles, as it also removes the dirt and the dead skin cells. It's a perfect remedy for removing blackheads, dark spots, and acne scars caused by its deep pore cleansing properties, and it can also rejuvenate new skin cells. Okay, you guys, so you're going to take one small tomato and you're going to grate it. Now, you can put it in a blender, which will be much faster, or a food processor, because you're going to use all of the tomato. If you try to grate it like this with the grater, it's going to take forever and you're going to get very little juice. But you need the pulp, so put it in a blender and blend it up. Okay, and this is what it should look like after you finish blending it. So in another bowl, you're going to have 1 tablespoon of your baking soda. Now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your tomato sauce or juice, and you're going to add that into your baking soda. Now you're just going to mix it in very well. If it's too loose of a consistency, you're always welcome to add a little bit more baking soda in the mixture for a more pastier feel, but this should be pretty good. Now in this, I'm cutting up a slice of lemon because I'm going to take it with me to use on my face after I wash the mask off. But lemon has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can fight bacterial causing acne as well as avoid future acne. It contains vitamin C that is able to reduce the appearance of dark spots and some other types of sun damage. It has astringent properties that shrink and constrict excess oil and dirt from the pores. Citric acid from the lemons acts as a chemical exfoliant that has the ability to remove the dead skin cells.
Now I'm just going to start off by rinsing my face, and then I'm going to apply the scrub. Alright you guys, so what I'm going to do now is I got some time. I'm going to watch my news and sip on my tea, and I'm going to let this dry on my face before washing it off. Okay? Then I show you what I'm going to do next. Alright you guys, so I am back. As you can see, the mask is dried. So now I am going to rinse it off and proceed with my next step. Alright, so next I'm going to follow through like I did before with my apple cider vinegar and water toner. So I'm just going to put some on my cotton swab, cotton ball or cotton pad, whatever you prefer.
Apple cider vinegar facial toner made from raw apple cider vinegar balances natural pH of the skin and breaks up bonds between dead skin cells, exfoliating to keep skin pores open. It also can lighten sun and age spots and can improve acne and acne scars. And lastly, it's great for freshening and removing excess oils and makeup.
Now what I'm also going to do today, instead of my aloe vera, I'm going to use my lemon peel, my lemons today.
Now the lemons have antibacterial and antimicrobacterial properties that can fight bacteria causing acne as well as avoid future acne. It contains vitamin C that is able to reduce the appearance of dark spots and some other types of sun damage. It has astringent properties that shrink and constrict excess oil and dirt from the pores. The citric acid of lemon acts as a chemical exfoliant that has the ability to remove dead cells.
And again, go in circular upward motions whenever you're washing your face, applying anything to your face. Always use circular upward motions. Okay, so being that I have this peel on my face right now, what you can do at this point, if you want, you can let it sit a little bit so that it can really get to working. But we don't have time like that this morning, so I'm just going to rinse this off and proceed to my moisturizing. When you rinse your face, it's always good to rinse with cold water, as cold as you can stand it. Okay, lastly today I'm going to moisturize my skin with some extra virgin olive oil. I really wanted to use my almond oil, but I couldn't find it, so this is just as good. So a little bit goes a long way because I have oily skin, and basically this is just to give my skin a little moisture, not grease it up, because like I said, I have oily skin and acne prone skin. Okay, but a little dab is all I need. Okay, so there it is, you guys. Another way to exfoliate, clean your skin, get that glowing skin. This time, this is going to fade those dark spots, fade those pigmentations from acne scars, any type of scarring, and it's also going to give your face that youthful look because you've exfoliated all the dead skin cells off of your face. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me this morning in the bathroom. So I'm going to finish drinking my CUMIN detox water tea, and I'm going to hit the shower and start my morning. So I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.